How can you relieve ear pain at home? In this video, you will be learning the 5 best home remedies to help alleviate ear pain and make you feel better within a short period. Let's get started. Whenever you have an ear infection, you may likely experience the following symptoms in your body: hearing loss, trouble sleeping, sore throat, inner ear pain, and fever. So how you can get rid of ear pain at home? Ear pain can be relieved using the following natural remedies. 1. Heating pad. A heating pad or hot cloth held against the ear for 20 minutes may be helpful for temporary pain relief. While cold temperatures can help numb pain and reduce inflammation, a heating pad may relax the muscles and help improve blood flow. A warm compress can be placed around your ear region to relieve pains and make you feel better. Keep in mind that a heating pad can help to loosen congestion and ease any discomfort. Creating a warm compress is not that hard. You just have to soak a washcloth in warm water, squeeze out excess water, fold it, and place it on the affected ear for about 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Garlic oil. Garlic oil contains antiviral and antifungal properties, which can be applied to the ear. It can also be used to relieve ear infections. Put about 2 or 3 drops of warm garlic oil into the ear. After that, proceed to place the piece of cotton over your air opening to prevent the oil from dropping out. Remain in the same position for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the oil to work effectively. 3. Cold or warm compresses. Both warm and cold compresses can reduce pain from an ear infection. You can hold either a hot pad or cold wash clothing against the ear for 10 to 15 minutes. It alternates between hot and cold for an easy ear infection remedy, especially for children. 4. Changing sleeping positions. If you're a side sleeper, try sleeping with your affected ear facing up instead of down into the pillow. Sleeping with your affected ear on a pillow could worsen your ear pain. 5. Chew gum. If an earache occurs during or after plane travel or moving to higher elevations, chewing gum may help to reduce ear pain pressure. If you use any of these home remedies to alleviate ear infections, you will feel relieved with time.